WSH, you have a sweet day, bud __ Blue.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the super chat. Mwah! Thank you. Nana, where are you taking us? Scab?
Yeah, it's
Scab Brandland.
Bless you.
Thank you.
That door coming? I'm working on it. We'll work faster.
Excuse me. Yeah, what is a quarter? How much is that? Excuse me.
Oh, no. She needs to just call another thing. They're splitting up a lot considering this is like the final.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
Now, take the pot and aim at the bowl. And press. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Don't worry, I can find more too.
I guess that's close enough. But when I saw it, it only had 2
Excuse me.
vertical.
Wait, can you?
I just need some stuff.
I need stuff too. I need some better guns. Ooh, nice.
Excuse me.
Oh, bless you.
Excuse. Excuse me. Excuse me.
You're like creatures that walk in Minecraft in lava.
Oh wow.
Wait, he does. Look at this.
Bless you.
Chat, what the hell? I don't know. What was he even talking about? Excuse me.